Welcome back to another video, and today we got one video that is specific to IT. We're going to be talking about information technology. And before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure that you share the video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get all the videos and you don't miss the videos about technology, so you can learn and so your knowledge is becoming more broadened, or maybe how can you say it, expanded. So make sure you subscribe so you can stay tuned for other videos coming up in the future. Now let's get into the video. What is IT? IT, right? Wait, before we talk about IT, you should already know what IT is, or you should at least heard of IT. Like so if you was in college or if you was in high school, you heard people, if you have problem with your computer, you'll go to an IT person or IT tech, something like that. You probably should have heard of it. Now IT stands for information technology, and for IT, or information technology, it encompasses all forms of technology used to create, store, exchange, and use information in various forms, like business data, voice conversations, still images, motion pictures, photos, multimedia presentations, and other forms. Now, information technology is a thing as of right now, but it has been a thing and it has been a field and career that people can get into. Now, why is it called information technology? Is because the use and processing of information for useful purposes is called information technology. And the information is a knowledge of any kind. The methods of storing, processing, retrieving, and sharing information are performed by a specific technique that is used available technology. So that's the reason why it is called information technology. Now, if we keep going, right, and we keep talking about IT, you're going to start wondering what's the main purpose of information technology. Now, the main purpose of IT, or information technology, is the use of any computers, storage, networking, and other physical devices, infrastructure, and processes to create, process, store, secure, and exchange all forms of electronic data. Okay, so this is the main purpose of information technology, is to be able to create or process the created, or process or store or secure the information of the electronic devices that you have going on. Now, what's the importance of information technology? The importance of information technology is it plays a vital role in every business type, no matter if it's small, medium, or large. Because for information technology, you will need that in any type of business. Because for information technology, it helps secure. It also helps secure data, and those people who are in IT careers or in those jobs, they help with the devices if they go wrong. They help with like the computer if the network's not working. That they're there to help with that. And for any business, you need that, because for your business to be vital, or for it to be to become bigger or well known, you always got to have technology. And technology is part of a business, and for information technology is going to be part of that business. And the thing is that information technology cannot be left out of any equation for any business. And that's why it's vital for every business type, including small, medium, and large business. Now, information technology is used in companies to implement communication, like communication between like the application and the user, or just between the user and somebody else, or if it's like an employee and another employee who's doing it online, they make sure the application is working. So if the application is not working out, they check it out and try to make it work, so it's be able to function between the employees or whatnot. And network and email play a key role in the communication aspect too. So they also check that out just to make sure it works, so that all the information is vital, and on top of that, it makes sure that the information is able to or the application that you use is able to work in a way, or able to work to where the person is able to get its information or whatever they're trying to do with the application out of it. Because for information technology, or the people in IT, they actually make sure that the application or technically the application or the network is working to its full potential, and they make sure that it's not actually how can I say it, I mean, also not out of date, but I'm trying to say is that they make sure that the application is not it's like not responding in a sense. Technically, they make sure that the actual application that the person is going to use is actually functioning and working. Now, for IT, it's not hard. People wondering if it's hard to learn information technology, and no, it's not hard to learn information technology. And as long as you're driven in the studies and the power of the computer, people are saying that it's really not that hard to actually learn it, and it's not actually that difficult. It just depends on the person and if you got the drive to actually learn it. So that's all we got for you. This is the video. The video was about IT, information technology. And if you want some more videos about this and future technology or any technology, matter of fact, or as a video, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and you're gonna get more videos on that. Now, before I go, help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can do giveaways for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.